I know. That's why we work so well together. See, it's a competitive kind of
hello?
game.
Hello?
Someone's not.
No, you're fucking waiting. Jesus, dude.
Honking back.
They can get fucked.
Dude, what the fuck?
Nice red light, buddy. Just because your Porsche's yellow doesn't mean the light was. Ripped. They were so fun.
Where'd you see them?
At the rave.
Oh, yeah.
They opened for some way heavier bands, but everyone loved them.
Hell yeah.
Okay, today, lady. I think that's a guy.
But what if someone's coming?
To a shadow before you levitate. I watch you shape shift in front of me.
Stupid motherfucker.
And tread to the door.
Look in your eyes, would I go in mine and go?
Bro,
You
why
are
would you take
lucky
that
I
turn?
have to turn, bro.
Yeah, it's like, this guy, you literally could have just waited.
Breaks there. I mean, it's probably something. If that's the case, then it's something rubber.
Oh dear. Hello.
Shit.
Damn, it's like casually walked out in front.
Hello? Hello, brother?
Alright, thank goodness.
Whoa. Okay. The 15 here.
Oh my goodness. We're pulling over? Okay.
Interesting.
They
Did we ever want to look up from our phone? Like, sorry, no one exists but you, but, like, I'm already behind you, buddy.
Right? Fuck it out.
The fact that he continued backing up.
I know, right?
Bro needs to take a bath with a fine General Electric product. I'm gonna be referencing Mitch Hedberg for the entire time I live here. This is, like, not that that's a bad
this
thing.
This is why we don't take Juddville.
Yeah, we don't take Juddville because the Juddvillians don't know what they're doing.
No, I swear, there's some weird shit happening on Deer.
Good catch. Yeah. Yeah, there's a couple out there.
Turkey.
Oh shit. It blended in with the light pole as I was pulling it. Did you want to use if you're trying to pull, there you go, turn signal. Jesus fuck. It's amazing how quiet it is up here. Like, how once you get past Sister... Oh, don't you? Come on, you little gobble. Right. Yeah, that's what I thought, you little bit. Yeah, keep nodding your head at me, you little fuck. Well, that Tesla just pulled out in front of somebody down there.